beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's the first time to my channel, my name is Atinuke. So let's get right into the tutorial, guys. So guys, I'm really sorry for the beginning of this video, as in my son broke my memory card, which I have different kind of tutorial on it. Oh my god, it was so painful, but don't worry, you're not missing anything from this tutorial. So guys, I cut the kinky hair into 4. I've already started ventilating off camera because I have different kind of ventilating video on my channel, and the only part I missed from this video is when I was sewing down the frontal. Yes guys, where I was sewing down the frontal video was actually on another memory card. So I insert the memory card at the side of my laptop, and you know, babies, my son is a year old, so he was just removing the memory card. He mistakenly broke it. I was not there, I was in the kitchen cooking, so I never knew he was already at the place where I dropped my laptop. So I'm really sorry for that, guys. I have a lot of amazing tutorial on my channel. I even have a separate video on how you can sew your frontal on your mannequin head. The only thing that is just there is how you measure the 13x2 frontal, which I'm going to do a separate video on that because of me losing the clip of this video. Not losing, because of my son broke my memory card. So let's get right into the video, guys. So I hope you pick one or two amazing tip from this video. So guys, let me just explain a little bit so that you guys can keep on watching. So the ventilation I did on this frontal was different from the normal ventilation. One, kinky hair get full on time, so you don't want it to over bulky, you don't want it to be shapeless. So from year to year, I started ventilating on a row, skip a row, like 6 to 7 line. Then after that 6 to 7 line, I started skipping 2 lines. Yes, 2 lines. Then on a line which I'm going to ventilate on, I'll ventilate on the O, then skip 2 O. Guys, make sure you watch closely to see what I'm talking about. I hope you enjoyed this amazing video, and please don't forget to subscribe. Your baby girl is back. Yeah, it's back and better, back with a lot of amazing motivation. Please guys, do not skip my heart, please guys. That is the only way you can help me to say thank you for this amazing tutorial. Yes, I'm ready. How will I put it? I don't know what to say. Just don't skip the ad. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe, and I'll allow you guys to keep on watching to enjoy the rest of the video. See you in my next video. Stay blessed. Do not go anywhere. Keep on watching. Thank you.